What's going on, fellas? So today I got this steering wheel for the Tundra. I got this steering wheel for quite a while right now, and I never got chance to put this on, so I'm gonna try to do it right now. First we're gonna disconnect the battery, pop the hood, millimeters both sides. So I'm gonna just disconnect the positive. 10 millimeter. Just like that. Now we got two trims. One is here and one is here. With the cruise control, we're gonna have to remove this. I got the plastic trim remover somewhere, but I can find it. I'm gonna have to use this little metal pick, and hoping I'm not gonna do any damage. I can actually do it with my fingers almost. Yeah. Look, just like that. On this side, same thing. Just like that. Now you can see on both sides we got the T30 right there. It's one right there, and on this side there is one right there. It's T30 torque. Remove both. One. And it's not coming out because there is like a plastic something holding it in place. Can reach on this side, I don't know. Okay, now I got it. Okay, it's loose, it's out. And now, fellas, we should be able to take the airbag out gently. Let me see if it's all loose. Should be. Something is still holding it. Okay, so I know what is going on. These bolts have to come out. The bolts are loose, but they are sitting over there in this plastic. Look at this. They are sitting over here in this plastic hole there, and they are holding the airbag in place. See, Yeah, so the bolts have to come out. Let me take them out. Just like that. Gently pull it, and look, these bolts are right here. This is the left side and this is the right side, and they were holding it. Look, I had to push them, I had to pull them out to pull the airbag. Now we have to disconnect all the cables from the airbag, both of these from here. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to pull this one, the yellow one, so we're gonna have to disconnect it from the actual airbag. This one's from here, and the cruise control. Yeah, cruise control from here, and pull it out. Unscrew these two screws, Phillips, and pull it out. So these two out, the white ones, easy peasy, just like that. Like I said, the yellow one we're gonna have to disconnect from the actual airbag right here. The cables are a little short, but that's what we have to pull. I'm gonna try to do this very slow. Just like that. Okay, this is black one. Okay, and we got the airbag out. Now we got these screws here for this trims. So let's remove all four, and then the cruise control. Cruise control right here. Okay, we got this out. Let's take this trim, yeah, like that. Out. Now we're gonna have to remove the actual steering wheel. Alright fellas, 19 millimeters, and it shouldn't be too hard. We'll see. It's easy peasy. And now I don't have the puller, so we will see. I may have to go and rent one, because I'm not buying this for one-time change. Okay, let's try to wiggle this. Look, it came like butter. Okay, let's bring the new one, because I'm gonna have to put it in exactly the same position. Alright, this is new, this is old. Look at this. Be careful with the clock spring. And I'm gonna have to put this trim, the bottom trim, back on the old one, the new one. Just these clips right here. Some clips right here, and just like that. Old and new. going on here? Okay. Now we got the same clips going to the same position. Just like that. Right here. Okay. You got the bottom ones. What about these ones? Just like that. This is rubber, so you can try to wiggle this so the clips actually just like that go over it. See? Like this. Them all in, sitting nice and straight. Now let's put this back. Just be careful with the clock spring. I don't want to mess this up. Just like this. Not like this. For sure not like this. It's gotta be like this. Okay. 19 millimeters go back. And I think it should be 37 foot-pounds. So let's bring the torque wrench. Okay, so it should be 31 to 39. Okay, we got 30, so let's do 37. 37. Okay. Still. Okay, it's 37 foot-pounds. Perfect. Now let's put everything back together. Let's do these trims. They're actually sitting nice here in this steering wheel. Yeah, perfect. Two bottom ones. Then I'm gonna put the cruise control. What's going on, my love? Okay. Okay, cruise control coming back in. Exactly the same position. Okay. Now the airbag. Actually, this one I can plug in already. This one too. Now just the airbag. We can put it back. Just like that. And let's do the screws on the side, the bolts. There's two bolts with the Torx T30. They are going right there. The first one, I'm not gonna tighten it up yet. I don't know if you guys can see this. This one is going there. Okay. And this one is too. So just like that, fellas, you put this two covers back on. That's it. What a difference, right? What a difference. Now I'm gonna connect the battery and test drive it if it's actually straight and I didn't mess the clock spring, I hope. Alright, fellas. That's it. Easy peasy. 15 minutes job. So let's connect the battery and take it for a spin and see if actually everything works. I hope the airbag's not gonna blow in my face. So far so good. Let's take it for a spin if actually the steering wheel is straight. It should be. There was no other way to put it. But it feels nice, the leather, compared to the plastic. I think it's straight. Have to be. Let's see if the controllers. Yeah, everything works. All right, fellas. Adios.